What's up, traders? Uh, it was a eventful day today. Before I get in the video, um, there's gonna be a link down below for the Pro Stock Chat. Click the link, and you'll get right into our Discord. And make sure you smash that subscribe button, you know, and the like button. So let's get into the trade. See what happened today. So I shorted the stock MNK. Pre-market, I seen there was a channel from 430s to the 470s, and came all the way down to the 340s. Well, the market opened up, got to 388. That was the previous close. Came down to 347. Shot back up. Had a little micro pullback at this 378. That's where I got short. Should have waited a little bit longer. But I thought the stock was going to get crushed. Just because it gapped up and it gave from 470 to 320 or 340s, it gave so much back. So I jumped the gun a little. So I got short right here at 379, I believe. I'll show my P&L here in a second. Actually, I'll just show it right now. So where it's all highlighted is where I got short. So this one right here is his first trade. 379 covered at 387. And then this is my second trade I'll talk about, 335 and 350, and then I covered. I'll talk about them in a little bit. So let's get back to the trade here. So I got short right here. Broke the pre-market, the close from yesterday, 388. Got to high as 415. Pulled back, retested that high, went to 410. I just talked about this yesterday. And in the chat room, I said I want to wait for a pullback. But I didn't wait. I jumped the gun. Anyhow, I held through this because I'd seen it was making higher lows. And then right here, it went from 410, came down to 368. Popped back up to 383, pulled back, 371. We're making higher support. So higher support, higher support, higher support. So this thing popped, and I knew right then that, yep, it can go back to this 430s or even to the 470s. So I covered right here to play it safe. And then I let it do its thing. And then a little bit later at this 407 double top, and it gets crushed. So I didn't FOMO into this. I waited. So what I could have done better on this is waited for the top, waited for the pullback. Like I always say, wait for that pullback. So I could have got short at 410, and I would have held this. I would have never covered my position. But instead, I got short at 380, and then I'm risking a lot. So over here, this I believe I shorted a lot better. So it came all the way down to 310. That's the low of days, 310. Pops back up to 345. So I got short at 335, thinking that we'd at least come back down to here by the time the market closed. Well, it held this 330. Popped back up to the 345s and came back down to this 330 again. So I put an order in, a limit order, to fill me at 350. And I just put my phone in my pocket and kept on going. So it filled me at 350. So now I have an average of let's 343. This trade right here. 343 is my average. And right here is resistance. This 350. It pulls back to this 330. So I could have took profit right here, but I thought we'd break lower than that. But you got 1, 2, 3, triple bottom. Should have took my profit right there. I would only been up $50 on the day, or $40. It wouldn't have been a big green day. But I held it. And we retested up here to this 345 level. And then I set an order for 331 to get filled. Well, we got down to 334. And right up here at this 340, there was like 5 minutes left in the market, and I'm not holding this overnight. So you can see right here, I covered my position 5 minutes before the market closed. At 340, I walked away $27 in the red. Not bad. Not a bad trade. I mean, not a bad red day. Yeah, I just gotta. My mistake right here is I should have taken 1,000 shares. I only took 500 shares, and then when I shorted this, I threw all 500 shares right away at it. And what I should have done is did what I did down here, 250 and 250. So I should have did 250 shares, and then when I had this retest right up here, I could have added my 250 shares, and then my average would have been even higher, and then I probably would have never covered my position, because I would have been looking at these higher lows. So something I can work on for tomorrow, if I see anything. But I guess what you could take out of this is the front side of the move. I shorted the front side, expecting the stock to get crushed. It got crushed, but with my entry, it wasn't the greatest entry, and what I did not want to happen was this. I'll show you. You all know this stock right here. This is what I did not want to happen. You know what I mean? I don't want to turn a small loss into something like this. And these stocks are running. So I took it off. It's not worth it. I'll take being red $27 any day. To me, it's a wash. If I would win $30, it's still a wash. But get back to the other trade. But yeah, so that's my recap on MNK. There's some things I could have did better. I was right with this huge pullback. That entry got me. I didn't want to squeeze to the 430s and the 470s. You know, that's over $1,000 loss. So it got me, but I got crushed. So that was a plus. I usually short stocks that get crushed. So I had the right thing. I shorted the front side of the move. So for tomorrow, I gotta really work on that. Is waiting for it to have that pullback, or just being weak. So until next time, traders, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, go over to Pro Stock Chat, get in the Discord, or get in members. You know, all the new members that came over, that's awesome. It's growing, so that's cool. Not really much else to say, but until tomorrow, peace out.